Good afternoon everyone. Today we'll be looking at a double unboxing of two Luminox watches. Luminox is probably one of my top favourite brands. I don't want to say it's my favourite brand, but it's definitely up there. Top 5 easily. It could be top 3 easily for me. And to celebrate actually an anniversary of 1 year of my channel, I'm going to do a special sort of double unboxing of my very own Luminox Navy Seal on the right and the Luminox Pacific Diver on the left. So let's get down to it, shall we? So obviously I know that I've had this one in my collection, but I'm going to unbox it as if it's new for you guys today. The Pacific Diver comes in like a little, like a fishing net essentially. Both very, very similar in terms of the cases. Both have a deployment style case, you can see. There we go. Very much identical. Obviously mine has obviously got the logo on the back there. Luminox has a very sort of simplistic approach to the obviously the design. It's meant to be a deployment style box, so it's designed just for that. Put that one down for now and take this one out. Now, if you ever decide to buy a Luminox this particular model, these little terribly stitched things do not come as standard with it. I've added these on to just for my own personal reasons. It just comes as a piece of fabric like it is, but these little parts aren't part of it. It's just my modified version of the box. Right. So here we go guys, this is the double unboxing of the Luminox Pacific Diver versus the Master Carbon Seal Deep Dive Edition 3801 limited to just 750 models. The Pacific Diver on the left and the Navy Seal on the right. The Pacific Diver has a 44mm case diameter. They both have a 44mm case diameter, where the Pacific Diver is 12mm in thickness, whereas the Luminox is the other Luminox is just 14. It's just that little bit bigger. The Pacific Diver weighs a lot more naturally, probably because of the metal strap and of casing and stuff like that. It weighs around about 175 grams, whereas the Navy Seal on its default strap weighs 80 grams. In terms of the movements, they both use Swiss movements, obviously because same brand. The Pacific Diver uses a bit of a sort of a less accurate movement than the Navy Seal, this particular Navy Seal. The Pacific Diver uses a Ronda 515, which is a guaranteed accuracy of 10 to 20 seconds per month. And you get a 50-month battery life with that. And the Navy Seal, this particular Navy Seal model, operates with a Ronda 715, which is quite a high quality movement, with a guaranteed accuracy of plus or minus 10 seconds per month, and has 5 joules and is even gold plated. That's something I didn't know until the other day. With a 5-year battery life. They both retail at very similar sort of prices. So the Pacific Diver is about £680, whereas the you can only, I don't know if you can get these new anymore, but you might be able to get one on eBay for like £550. They're quite pricey for what they are, but then you get a lot of watch for it, as we'll go on to in a minute. So let's move closer to the dials. So the Pacific Diver on the left has a sunray style dial, whereas the Navy Seal has a sort of a checkered black and blue dial. It's quite hard to show this on camera. You can see it's got a little bit more sort of a vexy sort of design to it. The actual casing for the Pacific Diver is housed in a 316 stainless steel casing with stainless steel, obviously metal hands, and fully luminous ingots, fully luminous hands. They both have that similar sort of thing. Whereas the Luminox Navy Seal is housed in a Carbonox case. Now, a Carbonox case is a combination of, I think it's steel with carbon long bars mixed in certain percentages depending on which watch you go for, to offer extremely light and rugged casing, essentially, that's fairly scratch proof as well and resistant to shocks, etc. The Pacific Diver has a Carbonox bezel. Doesn't have a Carbonox case, unfortunately. Has a Carbonox bezel. Gives it a little bit more of extra sort of touch to it. The Pacific Diver is waterproof to 200 meters, whereas the other watch is waterproof to 300 meters with military grade sapphire over the top of this one, whereas this one's just normal sapphire glass with anti-reflective coating. So with this crown, you can see it's housing a little bit of crown protection, as you can see there. I wonder if I can get that without taking the wrap off. I can't. Overall, the watch does feels quite heavy. There's quite a lot of weight to it on this particular one. I'm not going to go and adjust the crowns. I can tell you from experience of Luminox is that they feel delicate, but they're actually quite strong and well made. They don't give you the strength of resistance when you're turning the hands around as much as, say, a cheaper Sekonda, but it's the quality is there. You know, it is there. So coming down to the strap, we've got a plain stainless steel strap on the Pacific Diver with 24 millimeters in width, 3016 stainless steel to match the 316 stainless steel strap, whereas the Luminox has by default this watch will come with a NATO wetsuit fabric strap with a 24 millimeter width, 316 stainless steel fabric holders and buckle. Come on to the buckle now so I can show you that. The Pacific Diver offers a double fold over style system with a simple latch that just locks in place. Nice polished finish on both of those. Obviously mine's a bit more scratched up now, as you can see. Got a nice firm click down on that and plenty of room for adjustment on the strap and the actual clasp. The bonus of this strap is that you can take this off quick and easy. So you can change fabric straps quite easy, just feed them out. The problem is they just don't look as nice when they're off. And you can tuck a little compass in on this area if you want to. I've got one, I'm taking it off for now though. And yeah, it does tend to stretch over time. Come around to the back. Got a nice Luminox backplate there with a nice star on it, as you can see. Let's look at the back on this one. This one will have a navy seal back one, I think. What I'll do is I'll take this off and this out, so you can see it. Two very sort of different back plates. With this Luminox, I'm not sure if this is limited edition or not. I didn't say that it was, but with a limited edition Luminox, you'll have like a number print on the back. You can see up above the wings of this logo here, you've got the release number on it, so I think it's 211, if I can get the angle right. 211 out of 750, and this one is limited. Let's have a little look. Can't see that it is. Both got a screw down case back. So there we go, guys. That is the double unboxing of the Luminox Pacific Diver and the Master Carbon Seal Deep Dive.